Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope so you are doing great and well. So welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to another study lecture, and I hope so all are going great and well. So in this lecture we'll learn about something that will be related to studies. And if you have not liked or subscribed my YouTube channel, please do that, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get the notification of my each and every video related to studies. So uh, if you have any question in relation to math science, so you can comment on my any of my video. I will go to that and make a video on that. So let's start our lecture without wasting any of time. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. May the splendid sparkle of knowledge brighten up your life. Ameen. So today we'll learn about the present simple tense, negative and interrogative sentences in that cases. So let's do that. Structure. So first of all, in the structure of the simple present tense, first of all I will discuss negative sentences with you. Structure. Add do not or don't negative sentences like subject, doer of the action. Like subject is always the doer of the action, the person that performed the action. I, we, you, they, Anna and Peter or some people. That's the doer of the action in that. Auxiliary verb plus noun, like do plus not equals to don't, does plus not equal to doesn't, and verb equals to action like write letters. So I don't like letters, we don't write letters, you don't write letters, they don't like write letters, and Anna and Peter don't write letters. Some people don't write letters. Like it's a situation like that. This is a structure of present simple tense. Then we have like the same structure at do not, or we can say don't negative sentences. Affirmative. First of all we have I get up late in the morning, and we'll here say negative sentences are making say I don't get up late in the morning. Okay? The negative sentence will always come before the verb. Okay. Affirmative. They know much about the kangaroos, or negative I will make that they don't know much about the kangaroos. Is okay. Then I, we, you, they are plural subject with verb remains the as it is. So don't or do not, they mean the same. Don't get, do not get, don't know, do not know, don't read, do not read, etc. They mean the same. Then we have to add does not or doesn't negative sentences. First we did have don't, and then we have done doesn't. So subject is always the doer of the action, explorative verb plus not, and then we have verb that's an action. So doer of the action like he, she, it, the officer, Mr. Kate, and explorative like verb plus not, like does plus not equals to doesn't, and verb equals to action. Okay, so like then does plus not equal to doesn't, and the verb is again write letters. So he doesn't write letters, she doesn't write letters, it doesn't write letters, the officer doesn't write letters, and Mr. K doesn't write letters. Like here we have singular forms, and there we have plural forms. When we write don't, we use the plural verbs with that. When we write doesn't, we write the singular with that. Okay, so structure: he doesn't, does not, and then doesn't negative sentences. Like in affirmative case I will highlight she gets up late in the morning, and in negative I write she doesn't get up late in the morning, because she's singular, so definitely I will use doesn't with that. So she doesn't get up late in the morning, and I will not write gets up, I will write get up. Okay, because with singular we add doesn't, we write we remove the s or es. Affirmative, like we have he relaxes here after finishing his work, and then negative I will write he doesn't relax here after finishing his work. So again he is singular, so I will write doesn't, and doesn't because of doesn't x will get removed, es will get removed, so relaxes will change into relax. He, she, it singular subject are removed, like doesn't, does not. Suffixes s or es or ies get removed because of that. Okay, now complete each sentence using don't or doesn't and correct form of the bracketed verb. So I usually dash football every weekend. I usually play football. Okay, she always dash in the morning, exercises in the morning. Or shall we exercises in the morning, she always exercise. It will be exercise because always has s. He dash a lot of TV every day. Watch or watch. He watches a lot of TV every day. My baby dash for his toy, cries for his toy. Bobby dashes math lessons. Bobby misses lessons. Many shopkeepers dash fruit here, sell fruit here. Would be what I'm talking about. Structure. like negative sentences or yes no questions. So let's do that one. So like add do and question mark interrogative sentences, like as we have to do the same. So interrogative word that we has do and subject will do the action I, we, you, they, Anna and Peter or some people. Like a verb or action is write letters in form of full stop we like question mark. So do I write letters in question mark, do we write letters question mark, do you write letters question mark, do they write letters question mark, do Anna and Peter write letters question mark, do some people write letters question mark. So this is an interrogative sentence with the help of do where we use do. Okay, structure like add do and question mark, like that same interrogative sentence. Like affirmative, I get up late in the morning. So do I get up late in the morning? First of all, do will change a place with I, like do will come first. Do I get up late in the morning? At the end of full stop we write question mark. Then affirmative that we have, they know much better about kangaroos. So I write do they know much better much about the kangaroos. Okay, like do and they will change their places and no will remain the same. And the end of full stop where full stop comes we write a question mark. And do, I, we, you, they, plural verbs, subject verb remains at it is, like we don't change the verb. Then we have structure like add, does and question mark interrogative sentences. Like lecture verb that we have does and subject or do of the action he, she, it, the officer, Mr. Kid. Then verb or action we have is write letters in form of in space of full stop we write question mark. Like does he write letters question mark, does she write letters question mark, does it write letters question mark, does the officer write letters question mark, does Mr. Kid write letters question mark. Then add does and question mark interrogative sentences. Like affirmative, she gets up late in the morning. So in interrogative, does she get up late in the morning? First of all, does and she will change their places, and because of does, gets will change into get, and in space of first of all write question mark. So does she get up late in the morning question mark. Affirmative, like we have, he relaxes here after finishing his verb. So does he relax here after finishing his verb question mark. Like he and does will change their places. Because of does, relaxes will change into relax, and at the end in the space of full stop there would be question mark. Okay, then does he relax here after finishing his work question mark. Does, like here, he, she, it singular subject and then equals to question mark. So remove don't write suffixes like as, es or ies. Now they are again removed from here. Then we have activity time oral. Okay, complete each question using do and does and the verb given the bracket. Like dash football every weekend, he plays football every weekend, and then at the end we'll have question mark. Dash daily in the morning, she exercises, so she exercises daily in the morning question mark. Dash a lot of TV every day, so they watch a lot of TV every day question mark. Then dash for the toy, all of the children cry, so all of the children cry for the toy question mark. Dash green, leaves look green question mark. Dash fruit tree here, dash fruit tree here, many shopkeepers sell, so many shopkeepers sell fruit here question mark. Okay, or you can write do, many shopkeepers in first one have, do he plays football every weekend question mark. Dash daily in the morning, does she exercise daily in the morning question mark. Dash a lot of TV every day, do they watch a lot of TV every day question mark. Dash for the toy, do all the children cry for the toy question mark. Dash green leaves, do leaves look green question mark. Dash fruit here, do many shopkeepers sell fruit here question mark. So rewrite like it's an edit are directed. Okay, Sunday comes after Saturday. So change interrogative. Does Sunday come after Saturday? Alina does not touch the ball. Change affirmative. Alina does touch the ball. My brother and sister help me. Change to negative. My brother and sister don't help me. The road leads to Islamabad. Change into interrogative. Does the road leads to Islamabad? Does the fisherman daily go to the river? Change to affirmative. The fisherman daily goes to the river. So this was that one. So I hope so you liked today's lecture. See you in the next lecture. Take care of yourself, everyone. Allah Hafiz.